Welcome to the Rewards module tutorial from Dranton. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage tasks, assign rewards, and track star redemption within the Calendar app. Open the Calendar app and select the calendar you want to manage. Tap Rewards. You'll see that the members listed here match those in the Tasks section. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner to add a new reward. Enter the title. Choose whether the reward can be redeemed more than once. Set the number of stars needed, and select which members can redeem it. You can also add a description and an emoji if needed. Once you're done, tap Add. The reward will now be visible. If needed, you can give stars manually. When a member has enough stars, tap Redeem to exchange for the reward. A confirmation and redemption record will be displayed. Now, head back and tap Tasks to assign missions that earn stars. Tap the plus button to create a task. Add the task title, time, number of stars, whether the task repeats, assign members, and set a priority. When the task is marked complete, the member earns stars. On the calendar view, tap Tasks to see tasks created from the app. Only app-created tasks can grant stars. Tasks created directly on the calendar do not support star rewards. When the task is marked complete, the member earns stars. Tap Rewards in the calendar view to see reward goals created in the app. Rewards can be redeemed here too, and the success and redemption record will be shown. If you're using the Rewards module for the first time, you'll see a quick preview screen. Tap Let's Get Started, and you'll be taken to the Tasks screen, where you can add or select members. You can also go to More to manage the members.